I'm currently in a category CA French balcony cabin on board the AMA Kristina. At 170 square feet, it's a good size, though the main feature of it is, of course, the windows and the sliding glass doors. But as you walk in, the first thing that you'll see is a little office area. It's also a vanity, great for getting ready. You'll see the large iMac. So this is a signature of AMA Waterways in all of their rooms. This is your TV. They have movies on demand. You can utilize it for the internet, looking up guest services information and things like that. You've got a little upper storage here with the safe and then a shelf up top there. And then down below, you have a little bit of storage here. This is mainly for the keyboard. A little storage here with the wine glasses and the bottle opener. And then down here, you have a mini fridge as well. So as I move over, what you're gonna see is that the floor actually transitions here, because part of the French balcony, they had to have floors that weren't carpet that can take the weather. So when I open this up here, what you'll see is a large sliding glass window that can open all the way out. And it's perfect for those who want the fresh air and the light that comes with a French balcony. This would be a great alternative to a lower stateroom for some of you because the windows do not open. So seating area, nice bottle of wine, and the wine glass is ready for everybody. As you look over here, one of the things I love on AMA is they have the USB ports next to the bed and also a charging station. Okay. So I'm going to move over to this side of the room. They always have the classic alarm clocks, a little touch that I really like. And then a nice little touch, you got the hand cream by the bed. It's winter time in Europe, so that's perfect for that. Okay. And then I'm going to move through here into the bathroom. So as is the signature of AMA Waterways bathrooms, you've got the marble. And as you come in, what you'll see is they have an angled shower. Personally, I really like that because it gives me more space. So as I move in here, just move that there. Okay. You can see that there's a lot of room to move around. One of the unique features on AMA Waterways is the rainforest shower head. I'm pretty tall, I'm not the average guest on AMA, so sometimes it's a little short for me, but there's a lot of space to move around in here, which I really appreciate. Beautiful design. And then the sink is right here. Of course, you got your towels, a little bit of storage underneath. Okay, and then also in the mirror itself, you have a little bit of storage as well. So these staterooms aren't gonna have as much storage as the twin balconies because they're a smaller room. Marble top, upgraded bath amenities, and then as we move out here, we're gonna get to the storage. So that's one of the things I think AMA does a great job with is storage. So the first one here is gonna be just completely open for storage. Right now there is, you've got the slippers, you've got your robes, and then you just got extra storage here. And then on this side, you have a large closet, plenty of hangers. You can hang on the top and you can also hang on the bottom. Perfect for your shoes on the floor as well. But I do like that they put umbrellas in the rooms for you. So this has been a category CA French balcony on board the AMA Kristina at 170 square feet. It's a comfortable size. It's perfect for those who want the light and the fresh air that comes with a French balcony. If you're interested in booking this room, any room on board the ship, or any other river cruise for that matter, please reach out and Harr Travel would be happy to help.